Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I hate searching through a big bag and not being able to find things, so this Vercord purse organizer has really improved my life. This bag is the perfect size. It is small, easy to carry. It's got plenty of pockets, which is a huge benefit. So it's so nice whenever you just want to organize things, whether it's in your purse or a beach bag or a tote. So it has got plenty of pockets to be able to store all the things that you need. That way it makes it easier to find them. And then the size is great because it fit not only my mini iPad, but also my regular size iPad. And then it has a zipper on the top, so it's easy to close and keep everything secure. I absolutely love it now. When I take my beach bag, I don't have to fumble around to find things. I just open it up and there's everything that I need. And I don't have to worry about things getting wet, so if some water leaks on it, I just get a rag and wipe it off. So if you're like me and you hate fumbling around trying to look for things and you want to keep things just a little bit more organized, I highly recommend this bag. It's small, compact, yet big enough to fit everything I need. And that is just my point of view.